Here's how to master a juicy steak on your Weber Spirit 3 burner, fast and full of flavour. Start by turning all 3 burners to high. Close the lid and preheat for 10 minutes. While it preheats, lightly oil your steak and season all over with salt and pepper. Give the grills a clean. Turn the burners to the boost setting. Gently lay the steaks down on the grill, giving them a quick press to ensure good contact with the cooking grills. Close the lid and let them sear. Flip the steaks. Close the lid and cook to your preferred doneness. And there it is, a beautifully grilled steak straight off your Weber Spirit.